We'll start first with a simple use case. So Dwarkesh was here last night. Let's pre-order his book. And I want to show you exactly how order intents works, and that's easiest to do from the command line. So here we are. And the first thing I'm going to do is just create an order intent and point it here at the URL of the thing I want to buy, in this case, press.stripe.com/scaling. So let's run that. And the first thing the order intents agent did is it went off to the website and it sort of deeply understood it. Are there product variants? Do discounts apply? What are the shipping rates? Any new tariffs since, whatever, 7 a.m.? And now the agent has come back, nothing that interesting, and it's actually ready to go make the order. So I'm just going to copy this order ID over this long string, and I'm going to confirm the transaction. There we go. Just going to put it right in there. All right, let's run this. And now, for the purposes of this demo, we're actually going to visualize the agent at work. So you're going to see it right here, fire up Stripe Press. There it is. It's going to quickly add the book to cart. And now it should, in a moment, navigate over to checkout. Here it is. It's going to start filling out the forms. Look, no hands, agent at work. In just a second, there's, Stripe's office, typing in a credit card number. It's actually not my credit card, so no point in taking a picture. And there we go. We just bought a book from the command line. So let's kick this up a notch and make it a bit more realistic. So here we've got our demo site, Glow Guide, and it reviews skincare products. And I just turned 40, so I'm getting a bit more serious about skincare. And I'm reading about these products. Here you can see them. These are real products. So this one right here is being sold by moodysisters.com, a mineral wash. Here you've got a moisturizer and an SPF 50 sunscreen. Now, normally if I wanted to buy these, I'd have to click on each link, go navigate a third-party site, fill out a bunch of forms. If I actually bought them, maybe Glow Guide would get some affiliate fees on the other end, because they referred me. But with order intents, we can do better on both sides of the transaction. So let's see. As I scroll down, you can see that Glow Guide gives me the opportunity to buy the recommended products directly on the page. Looks like Glow Guide uses a link here, so it's got my payment credentials. But now, before I hit order, I just want to emphasize that we're about to see an autonomous agent making real purchases across the public internet. So in short, this is exactly the type of demo that you're not supposed to do right at the beginning of a keynote. So fingers crossed, and let's see how it goes. Now click order here. OK, so here we go. You actually see the agent at work. I'm pretty good at multitasking, but this is sort of another level. It's slogging through all of the forms. And so the question is, why is this better than the status quo? Well, affiliate commerce is really suboptimal for merchants because, it's hard to get credit for the purchases you create. And for consumers, you're bouncing around the internet doing all the things that the agent is doing for me right now. So the holy grail has always been in situ commerce. Can you bring purchase experiences directly into the page that you're on? It's getting tired. There we go. OK, so we just made 3 purchases across 3 different sites without ever leaving a blog.